Om Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gum Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Sam Saraswatye Namaha. Om Lakshmi Narayanabhyam Namaha. Om Lakshmi Nrsimhadevatabhyo Namaha. Om Vani Hiranyagarbhabhyam Namaha. Om Sita Ramabhyam Namaha. Om Matrubhyo Namaha. Om Pitrubhyo Namaha. Samasta Devi Devatabhyo Namo Namaha. Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. Today I am going to give you two fantastic Anushtup Stotras on Lord Shri Anjaneya. So these are all quite popular and probably many people also don't know this. So I am going to take up these fantastic stotras and deliver the verbatim meanings. The first among the Anushtup Stotras on Lord Shri Anjaneya is Buddhir Balam Yashodhairyam Ajadyam Vakpatutvam Cha. Buddhir Balam Yashodhairyam Nirbhayatvam Arogata Ajadyam Vakpatutvam Cha Hanumat Smaranad Bhavet. This is very famous, so I am not going to take up this. The rest two Anushtup shlokas are not very popular indeed. Many probably don't know this, so I am going to deliver these two Anushtup shlokas. And also I will give you the verbatim meanings. So here I go, my dear friends. As usual, I will be giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. Those interested, please take snapshot and mug up. And also please share my videos to all others, so that people can watch, learn and enjoy. Others also can watch, learn and enjoy. So that is it, my dear friends. Here I go. Two rare and fantastic Anushtup Stotras on Lord Shri Anjaneya. The first one is Goshpadi Krutavarashim Mashaki Krutarakshasam Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Nilatmajam. Simple yet fantastic. So you just observe the meaning now. Goshpadi Kruta. Goshpada means hoof mark. The mark of the hoof, that is the legs of the cows. So it was as simple as crossing the Goshpadi, that is crossing the hoof marks, which was very simple. Crossing the ocean. Goshpadi Kruta Varashim. Varashim means ocean. The entire ocean, this Lord Hanuman crossed very easily, as if it was just crossing over the hoof mark. It was very simple for him. So that was his gigantic size, that was his strength and valor. So fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? Goshpadi Kruta Varashim Mashaki Kruta Rakshasam. Mashaka means in Sanskrit insect, or a fly or a mosquito. So Rakshasam, all the demons were just like mere flies or insects for him who could be rubbed between his hands and killed instantaneously. How he could achieve it? Because Lord Hanuman had Ashtasiddhis. What are the Ashtasiddhis? Anima, Laghima, Chaiva, Mahima, Gharima, Tata, Praptischaiva, Prakamyascha. Te Ashtasiddhayaha, Ishitvam Vashitvam Cha Ashtasiddhayaha. So these are the Ashtasiddhis. Among these Ashtasiddhis, this Mahima Siddhi, because of this Mahima Siddhi, he could grow himself, the Lord Hanuman could grow himself into a gigantic size. So when he grew himself into a gigantic size, all the demons were just of the size of small mosquitoes for him, who could be rubbed between his hands and crushed to death spontaneously. So that was the brilliant poetry also used here, and that is also the fact. So Goshpadi Krutavarashim Mashaki Krutarakshasam Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Nilatmajam. Ramayana Mahamala. Ramayana itself is considered here as a great garland. So in that garland, Lord Hanuman is considered as a shining gem. Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Nilatmajam. So that is the first sloka, first Anushtup sloka. Ramayana Mahamala Ratnam Vande Nilatmajam means he was the son of the Vayu Devaru, son of Lord Vayu. That was Lord Hanuman. So simple yet brilliant and fantastic, isn't it, my dear friends? We will repeat this sloka stotra again. Goshpadi Krutavarashim Mashaki Krutarakshasam Ramayana Mahamalaratnam Vande Nilatmajam. So we'll move on to second Anushtup Stotra on Lord Shri Anjaneya now. The second one is also very brilliant and simple. Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. Anjana, it is very simple. Anjana Nandanam means he was the son of goddess Anjana Devi. And then Veeram, he was very valorous. Janaki Shokanashanam, he, all the pain and grief of Janaki Sita Devi was vanished because of Lord Hanuman, only because he corrected Rama and Sita by crossing over the ocean and then crushing to death all the demons, and they arranged for the war, coming back to Rama and Sita and then helping in this crossing of the ocean again by building the Ram Setu. All these things he did, and then he brought an end to the pain and grief of Sita Devi by joining Ram and Sita again. All the story you know. So Janaki Shokanashanam. So that is the meaning. Simple yet fantastic. And then Kapisham Akshahantaram. Kapisha means he was the kingdom among all the Kapis, Vanaras, king, because of his mighty strength. Akshahantaram, mighty strength and also intellect. Akshahantaram means Akshay Kumara was Ravana's son. He was killed by Lord Hanuman. He just swinged him and crushed him to death. Very easily he could achieve that. Akshay Kumar, Kapisham Akshahantaram, Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. He was a terror to the Lanka. Such a gigantic Hanuman, he was a terror to the Lanka. He was such valorous, gigantic sized Hanuman, Lord Hanuman. So that is it, my dear friends. We'll repeat this shlokas again. Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapisham Akshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. So we'll come back again. We'll just chant the two stotras again. Goshpadi Krutavarashim Mashati Krutarakshasam Ramayana Mahamalaratnam Vande Nilatmajam. Moving on. Anjana Nandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanashanam Kapishamakshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram. These are all very easy and even children can easily grasp. Already many children also know this. So anyway, for the benefit of probably who may not know this, I have done this video, my dear friends. In the next upcoming video, I am going to take up one more fantastic stotra on Lord Shri Anjaneya, that is Anjaneya Indravajra Stotra. What is that? We will learn in the next upcoming video. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas TV signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 8762331815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. Thank you. Hari Om Sati Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.